Hello guys and welcome back to Carolyn Dashcam channel, a channel featuring only the craziest moments scored on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with an epic video in which the bikers helped an elderly gentleman who fell to the ground. Stay tuned for this one.
No. V pořádku? Chcete pomoct?
Když jsem mohl.
Tak na 3. 3.
Dobrý.
V pořádku?
To je tiše.
Dobrý den.
Co se stalo?
Upadl na přechodu z ničeho nic, nevíme co se stalo.
Já tady pánové, sanitku vám zavolám, jo?
Nemůžete nic platit.
Ne, tak jste pojištěnej, ne, určitě. Máte pojištění, no. Tak sedněte si, pojďte si sednout na trhu. Dude, you're a red light!
This lady got a bit confused and went completely the wrong way.
Person at WO who the Kool-Aid man is like, what? Yeah, be careful, he is out there.
We have cats too, my girlfriend and I, we have cats. Whenever you tell somebody that you have cats, they're always like, we like dogs.
This right here is a fatal outcome of a driver being impatient and running a red light. That's why we always say that you have to respect the traffic lights, no matter what, because crazy accidents like this one can easily happen.
Whoa! What happened?
Driver in a pickup truck pulled a really bold move here. He was speeding right in front of police, and he thought that it would be a good idea to get in front so recklessly. But guess what happened next? And don't behave recklessly like some of these drivers on the road, because one small mistake can lead to a fatal outcome for other drivers. It came to a crazy crash in which the driver who was turning left was not paying attention and he didn't see another vehicle speeding down the road in the outer lane. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Carolyn Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes made by these people. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.